The Ugreen Triple Display USB-C hub presents itself as a comprehensive solution for expanding the connectivity of modern USB-C-enabled devices. Designed as an 8-in-1 splitter and dock, it aims to consolidate multiple peripheral connections through a single port, catering to users who require enhanced display and data capabilities. Central to its design is the ability to facilitate a triple display setup with 4K HDMI output, ensuring high-resolution visual experiences across multiple screens. Data transfer is supported by 10 gigabits per second speeds, particularly through its USB 3.2 ports, allowing for efficient file management and peripheral use. Furthermore, the inclusion of 100W power delivery, PD, ensures that your host device, such as a MacBook Pro, Air, or compatible PC, remains charged while connected. The hub integrates HDMI, DisplayPort, DP, and USB 3.2 ports to meet diverse connection requirements. This Ugreen hub is particularly well-suited for professionals and users requiring an extended workspace. The triple display capability can significantly enhance productivity, allowing for multitasking across several screens. It serves as an effective docking solution for connecting essential peripherals like external drives, keyboards, and mice, all while providing power to the host laptop. Its broad compatibility makes it a valuable accessory for various USB-C laptops, from Apple's MacBook line to Windows PCs. Functionally, this 8-in-1 splitter simplifies the connection process by consolidating multiple cables into one USB-C input. This design streamlines the desktop setup, reducing clutter and offering a more organized workspace. The defined specifications, such as 10 gigabits per second data transfer and 100W power delivery, indicate a focus on robust and consistent performance, suggesting a reliable tool for daily use in demanding environments. In summary, the Ugreen Triple Display USB-C hub stands out as a versatile and powerful expansion dock. By offering comprehensive connectivity, high-resolution display options, and efficient power delivery, it provides a practical solution for users looking to maximize the potential of their USB-C-enabled laptops and PCs,